Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
If we lose freedom here, there's no place to escape to. This is the last stand on earth. This is the last stand on earth.
In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem, is the problem, is the problem. All of us need to be reminded that the federal government did not create the states. The states created the federal government.
I didn't know I was shot. In fact, I was still asking, what was that noise? I thought it was firecrackers. I didn't know I was shot. In fact, I was still asking, what was that noise? I thought it was firecrackers.
There can be no real peace while one American is dying someplace in the world for the rest of us.
Tear down this wall.
Wonders in this century, it's hard to dazzle us.
General Secretary Gorbachev, if you seek peace, if you seek prosperity for the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, if you seek liberalization, come here to this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.